Hey, how's everybody doing? I don't know if you can see this book. The name of this book is Journey of Restoration, and it's wrote by author Christa Ashby. It says a book of short poems by a daughter of the king. So I bought this book probably a few weeks ago offline. It was one of my friends on Facebook. So I just decided, this would be, support, businesses, especially your friends' businesses when they're doing something. And I got to say, man, like I've never been a fan of poetry, but this book is definitely more than just poetry. Uh, it goes through and it talks about her testimony of, her just being abused as a kid, about the loss of her mother at a young age and her having to raise, her brothers and sisters, to, just where she is right now. And I think it is absolutely a great read. If you're into poetry, if you know anybody that's struggling, to, just get spiritual healing, highly recommend this book to everybody. Again, it's called Journey of Restoration. That's what it looks like. I know it's on Amazon and it's in a few other places. But yeah, definitely a good read, and I highly suggest that you go pick up a copy for yourself and, a mother, a sister, your daughter, or anybody else that you think could need some healing or anything just spiritually. It's definitely, like I said, definitely an awesome book. So yeah. All right, thank y'all for taking the time to check out this book review. Y'all have a blessed day.